Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about raccoons. The raccoon is a medium-sized mammal. They are native to South, North America, Canada, and Mexico, but they can also be found in Europe and Asia. Raccoons are smaller relatives of bears. A group of raccoons is called a nursery or gaze. There are 7 different species of raccoons. The pygmy raccoon is the only endangered species. Raccoons live in wooded areas close to water, but they can be found near urban areas. They are easily adaptable to various environments. They can live in hollow trees, equally happily like they can in abandoned cars. They are excellent swimmers and climbers. Raccoons usually reach 2.5 feet in length and weigh about 12 to 16 pounds. Raccoons that live in colder climates are larger and heavier. They have grayish fur, black masks around eyes, and long tails covered with black and brown bands. Because of their tail, they are nicknamed ringtail. Some hypothesize that the purpose of a raccoon's black mask is to reduce glare, helping it to see better in the dark. Raccoons are omnivores. They eat almost anything, including clams, fish, nuts, fruits, lizards, insects, and the occasional squirrel or mouse. Raccoons can get into trouble with people. They dig through trash cans or compost bins. They eat dog food and might even crawl under your house or into openings in the attic. Raccoons love raiding vegetable gardens. They knock over corn stalks to get the corn and devour small melons. Raccoons often dip their food in water, but scientists don't think they're washing it. They probably just like the feeling of the water on their paws. Breeding season takes place from January to mid-March. 2 months later, females would give birth to 3 to 4 babies called kits. Raccoon moms keep their babies safe in dens. The mother is very protective and she will teach them how to survive and what to eat as soon as they become ready to leave the burrow. After 2 or 3 months, the babies start exploring. By 6 months of age, they're ready to go out on their own. Here are some interesting raccoon facts. Raccoons can transmit rabies, a disease to domestic animals and people, so observe them from a safe and respectable distance. Their byproduct often contains roundworms. Raccoons produce various sounds. They can hiss, purr, whistle, growl. Raccoons can communicate with each other using over 200 different sounds and 12 to 15 different calls. Raccoons are solitary and are nocturnal creatures. Average lifespan of the raccoon in the wild is 5 years, while they can live up to 20 years in captivity. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.